Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. Today I want us to talk about how you can make money in Nigeria. That is, there are these two amazing websites that are really going to give you the opportunity of doing some simple tasks every day, and they will pay you every day. And the most amazing part about this website is that they are going to give you options to post, to share on your YouTube, to share on your Facebook, to share on your WhatsApp, and at the same time you will be able to do some like live, and they're going to pay you for it. So is this not amazing? This is actually, and the amazing part of it is that these websites are going to pay you 500 for every referral that you have. If you're having a referral that is, so this is something really amazing. Imagine 500 times 1,000. This is a very cool way of you being able to make some cool cash in 2024 for yourself. So let's not talk much, let's dive into the video and see for ourselves. I want to show you about this secret website that you can use to make money online from Nigeria. This is mobrog.com. So this mobrog.com here, actually what does this website do is you do some micro task online and you will be able to earn money from it. So like I told you here, is that this particular website is a survey website where you can do a lot of micro jobs or micro tasks online. So how does it go? How does it work? You can see this is a legit website. It is reliable, so it's not a scam, just like any other website that you know out there. So here I have your current balance is $0. So here, start a survey now. Per every survey that you get, you can earn between 20 cents to $3.75. This is to show you that this actually works. And I have here the survey status for this survey here. If I'm to take it, is 5 minutes. So how should I do that? I click on start. It is going to redirect me to another page, and from this page here I will be asked to do some simple task. So here we come. Welcome. The following questions will help us find suitable surveys for you. The questionnaire will take about 5 minutes. So here, have fun taking the surveys. When you click next, and then here you have your progress. What describes your accommodation? Let's say owned apartment, and then click on next. Then we have how many people live in the household including you. The next one we could say like 5 persons, and then you continue. So as you are continuing to take more of the task, the more you are going to complete it. So what are you waiting for? Use this opportunity and make some more money for yourself. Alright, let's not waste time. The second website that I will be using today is called Afree. It is a very famous website, afripaygurus.com.ng. So here I have, make sure you go there to the mobrog.com to register. The good thing about the website is that it pays you in pounds and in dollars. So for students who are looking for ways to make money online using their smartphone with their internet connection, this is actually for you. Now here I have AfriPayGurus. This is another legit website that you can use
to make more money online. Apart from that, let's see and log in and see how this thing actually works. So I click on the login here button. It is going to redirect me to this place here. I put in my email and my password. After I'm done, it will automatically redirect me to my dashboard. So here, this is actually some of what I have earned so far. This shows you that this actually works. I have task earning, which is 10,000 naira, and then I have referral earning. I have 3,780. So this is to show you that this actually works. So what are you waiting for? Try this new website. I am going to drop the links below. Use it to sign up and get bonuses for yourself, and this way you can continue making more money for yourself. And here it has a lot of features. So here, from there, I can get to have my, like you see here, for example, I'm going to show you something which shows that the top 10 referrer actually have earned a lot. Like the first winner for now in this month is winner T Emisiolua, who has gotten 204,000 naira. The next top winner is 187 from this same website, which means if you can focus on this website very well, you can be earning much more than this yourself. If you have the time, you can do it. You can do some micro tasks, watch videos, do surveys, post, comment on people's posts, on their videos, on their pictures, on Instagram, on Facebook, TikTok. And before you know, you will be going to the journey of earning somewhere around 100,000 while you still have your regular job and you're having a side hustle with your phone. So use the link below this, the description of this video, to sign up and get bonuses for yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another video.